What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Mama Mav, and today we are making some bougie beanie weenies. Y'all, when's the last time we had some beanie weenies? These are all the ingredients that you'll need right here on this screen. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first ingredients you'll see me add in here is some bacon grease, and this is just, of course, for the extra flavor. I did about a tablespoon of that. Now I'm showing you guys the sizes of the hot dogs that I cut them into. You, of course, choose whatever sizes you want. I just wanted a bite, every bite that I took with a hot dog in it. So that's why I chose to do mine on the little bit smaller side. So we're just throwing those hot dogs in the pan, and we're going to let them cook for a while because we want them to get a little color. If you even want to, you can let them cook a little bit longer, get them a little char if you want to get that barbecue kind of feel on the hot dog. Now I'm throwing in some minced garlic, and that was about a tablespoon of that. Then we have some yellow onion. It's about a half of a yellow onion chopped. Then we have some red bell pepper. That's a half of a red bell pepper chopped. Just giving it some love, making sure all those ingredients are working together, and also making sure my hot dogs are cooking evenly. Now we have some jalapeno. On my jalapeno, I cut it in half, and I cut the seeds out of half, and then I left the seeds in some. So this is for my babies too. I wanted them to be able to enjoy it, so I didn't want too much heat. So I didn't use the whole jalapeno. I used about maybe half of one. And now we're here just mixing it up, just making sure everything is even, getting cooked in the pan. And don't forget, y'all, if there's ingredients that I added that you're not, fan of, you can always substitute stuff out for something different. If you don't like red bell pepper, go with green, go with yellow, go with orange. The orange and the yellow are sweeter. So you can always throw those in there. You can always ex-nay the jalapeno. It's up to you. So there you see me adding all the seasonings. That was some Creole, some chili pepper, or chili powder, and some cumin. And we just, enough seasoning to cover everything, because you want to taste it in every single bite. Y'all already know. So just giving that some love in the pan. And y'all let me know in the comments below when the last time you ate Beanie Weenies. Because this was a staple in my house when we were younger. My daddy always would, now and then put us together some Beanie Weenies. I haven't had them in such a long time. And it's such a yummy dish, and for cheap, y'all. Like, we got to go back to our roots. So now I'm throwing in some black beans. And if you don't like black beans, do some pinto beans, do some navy beans, do some different kind of beans. You can even do the chili beans, which for me, I chose the chili with no beans because how my stomach is set up. We only need a little bit of beans, okay? So if you don't have that problem, go bean crazy, right? So now I'm adding in the chili that has no beans. And I did 2 cans of that, and then just the 1 can of the black beans. And this portion right here feeds about 5 people, 4 to 5 people with a good sized bowl. I did have a little bit left over. So yeah, it'll feed that many people. So there you go, y'all. Look at us simmering, cooking, bubbling, looking delicious. This is it. So simple ingredients, so cheap, but so tasty. Now we're jumping into plating. And of course, it's up to you how much you want to add in the bowl. But you want to make it beautiful. Whatever it is that you add in the bowl, you want to make it beautiful because you eat with your eyes before it even touches your lips. So now we're going in with some shredded cheese. I just got the Mexican shredded cheese blend. A little bit of sour cream. And that will also help offset the heat in the bowl. I didn't make mine too spicy, but if you wanted to make yours spicy, that sour cream will help knock some heat off if it is too spicy. And just some parsley and some more jalapenos on top, and looky. So simple, y'all. So easy, delicious, so cheap. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give your girl a like, leave me a comment, and until next time, y'all.